Welcome to EKTV. Today, a powerful earthquake hit northwest Japan on Wednesday night, temporarily cutting power to millions homes, according to BBC. The magnitude 7.3 tremor struck the same region where major earthquakes triggered the Fukushima nuclear disaster 11 years ago. In some areas, it was too forceful for people to stand, and buildings rattled in the capital, Tokyo, according to AFP news agency. The quake took place at 11 p.m. at a depth of 57 km, Japan. Aftershocks, there are different areas were destroyed.